everyone, welcome to our channel World of Gyan 2021. Today I am going to show you best 5 apps in Windows 10. Let's jump into our computer. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel World of Gyan 2021. In this video I will show you best 5 apps in Windows 10. The first app is MS Word. Here we can type anything we want. Like we can create a document and we can do it. It is mainly used by schools and by students in their computer subject. I want to type like this. Okay, we can save it. In the 365 version we will have the option to auto save, but this is 2019 version, that's why we will not have. In this it is desktop version only, but we will not have. In the 365 desktop version and online version we will have this. In my previous video, I showed you can we get Microsoft Office for free, that is online one. I will attach that video in that if you can use it, and you can use 365 version online with a free Microsoft account. Okay. I want to save. If you want to save, you can save, but I don't want to save it. Click on don't save. The second app is MS Excel. In this we can do chats. Mainly it is used by officers and by students in the school to do some chats like that, and by banks. Okay, like this I will show you one example. Student is Jack and money is 100. That's all. Like that we can do chats, and we can edit it like this. If we click on anything, we'll have here also we can edit. If we edit it here also, in the box it will be edited. That's all. I don't want to save, that's why I'm clicking on don't save. If you want, you can save it. If in the desktop version you don't need to have an account, in the online version you should have the account to use it. The third app is MS PowerPoint. This is used by schools to used by school students to make presentations in their computer subject. Mainly, it is used by students and officers sometimes, just for doing seminars by colleges also. See, I am typing. That's all. I don't want to save it. Here you have the option start from beginning. You can do it like this. In the previous versions we don't have. In this version only we are getting like this. In the previous versions we'll have in slideshow. Here we are getting top, and here in the bottom also, I think so. Yeah, slideshow. Here this is. I don't want to save. That's why I'm clicking on don't save. The fourth app is Google Chrome. Here I already have Chrome, that's why I'm showing you the Chrome interface. This is the Chrome interface. Generally all will have classic Chrome. I will show you the differences. Classic Chrome, and all will have normal default color, like this all will have. But I think all will not see this. We can do here in the background what do background we want. Example, textures. I want to choose one, and if we do not keep refresh daily, what background we have daily, we'll have this background only. But if you want from that textures one all, then you should click on refresh daily and keep in the textures, all will come in the texture theme. In the background you did shortcuts, my shortcuts, your most visited sites, your wish. In color and theme, your wish, you can keep it. I like blue, that's why I keep light teal. Yeah, this will be nice. Next, last but not the least app is MS Paint. In this we can keep screenshots, we can paste the screenshots. Example, I will show you. Should in the keypad you have print screen, you should click on that, and you should go to paint window, and you should do control V, then it will be pasted. Now in the online classes the students are using this paint to to see the screenshots and write, and we can again save this. I want to save this as like this. I want. That's all. That's all. That's all I want. Yes. Thank you for watching. In my upcoming video, I will show you hashtags and timestamps how to apply to YouTubers. Mainly YouTubers will use it. Okay. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.